Okay, today we're gonna install our RAM. First of all, we got a 1 8 gig RAM from Radon. Right here, you can see that the slot right here is not in the center, so there is only one possible way to put it into our motherboard. Right here, these brass slots right here, these are the things that will go inside the holder on our CPU. Right here is the connector, or the area where we put in our RAM or enter it. Right here it will say dual channel DDR3, and that's just to show where our memory will go. These two clips right here, this helps us hold in the RAM and we'll secure it to it. So now we'll install it. Here's our RAM, so let's put it in right now. Make sure the clips are out first on the holder, and then push it in firmly but gentle so we don't bend it either way. And clip it down. And then that's how you install your RAM. Thank you, and join us next time when we install our NICS card.